YouTube, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna be demonstrating a full mid-fade tutorial with a slight trim on top. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit that sub button. It really helps a lot with the growth of the channel. I appreciate the support thus far, and I'll catch you guys in the tutorial. Peace. All right, guys, so for the first thing that we're gonna do, and we're gonna take the guideline. Highest point will be at the top of the ear, and he does not like the fade to be, so he just likes it a slightly bit below the occipital bone, which I'm gonna go about a finger below. So we're gonna go from right here and connect the guideline and do it on both sides. So the first step of my fading system is to create the foundation of our haircut, which is the first guideline. Then we're gonna start just creating guidelines that we can blend. So that's step number 2. I'm gonna make a base with the 3.5 flicking out towards this bulk right here. So when you guys flick out, you guys are gonna be left with excess bulk right here. What I like doing is I like going with my clipper over comb. Opening a lever, we're gonna set a 1-finger guideline. That's the same identical shape as the first guideline that we set with our trimmer. With the 1 guard lever open, we're gonna set another guideline on top of that. So we now have 2 guidelines, the half guideline and the 1.5 guideline. Before I start blending anything out, I wanna go ahead and make sure I shave everything. I'm gonna use my Gamma Uno shaver. It's a single fuller shaver. So real gently, flick it out towards like 80% of the area. Once that's done, you guys wanna just go ahead and just refine that area just to blend the transition from the shaver to the trimmer. Just makes it easier for us to blend out that first line. All right, guys, so now that we've successfully just set guidelines, that was our second step. Our third step is gonna be to choose a blending method. The blending method we're gonna be choosing today is gonna be open to closed. So we're gonna start with the lever open. We're gonna hit the full thing, just basically redo the guideline. Then we're gonna slowly close it as we work our way down into the guideline. So right now it's almost 3/4 open. When we go midway, we hit it midway. And when we close it all the way, we want to hit the beginning of the line. We're going to be working from here to here until that's blended. Midway. Close it all the way. And baby tap that beginning of the line. Opening it a little bit. We're not going to go all the way up. We're just going to go maybe about 80% of the line and flick out towards the top. Put it midway. Now we're going to hit it midway. Almost all the way closed. We're just basically just tapping the beginning of the line. Close it all the way now, and we're gonna hit the beginning. Let's work our way back up now. It's almost all the way open. Now it's all the way open. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, the first line is completely blended. We have blended the shaving line into the half guideline. Now we have the 1.5, the 1 guard lever open guideline on top of here. And it's gonna be a two-step process. So first, we're gonna do the same lever method that we did on the previous step. We're gonna go open to closed. Then this line is gonna be soft and it's not gonna be fully blended. On the next step, we're gonna use the 0.5 guard and do the same thing to finalize the blend of this line. Midway. Hit the guideline midway. And just gently work your way back and forth. Just keeping everything, the pressure in your hand, as consistent as possible. Just close it all the way and hit the beginning. Now you guys can see the one guard didn't fully erase it. We're gonna do the same thing now, guys, but we only have about half of this finger to work with. We're gonna work again like we've been working for the whole video, from here to here and from here to here, doing open to closed. So we've blended two lines out, the half and the 1.5. Now we're just gonna redo again the 3 guard lever open. Just go quickly. This was the base, we go a finger above. 2 guard lever open, 1 finger above now. Two guard close, this is a 2. We're gonna just hit the beginning of the line right here. Lever open. We're gonna do the same thing, 1 finger above. Midway. Close it all the way. Now we're done with the fade, so we're gonna line up the C-cup area. Place my middle finger right here on his cheekbone to balance out the trimmer. Just gently tapping at the top. All right, so my client does have some bangs in the front. We're gonna go down with the grain with 1.5 guard. Go ahead and connect the other side.